Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever felt like you are doing everything right, working hard, staying responsible, trying your best, yet money feels stuck, not growing, not flowing, just stressful? I know that feeling because I have lived that. I was in a constant toxic job, pressure, health was falling apart, I was mentally exhausted, and doctors told me I need medication for life. And the worst part, I felt helpless around money. No matter how hard I worked, nothing changed. That's when I realized something very powerful. Money problems are not money problems. They are mindset problems. Your habits, your beliefs, your emotional relationship with money. When I started working on that, everything shifted. My health improved, my confidence returned, and I built a seven-figure coaching business without burnout. Today, I teach the same mindset shift to people who feel stuck, stressed, and confused about money. And I have recorded a 10x money mindset video to help you start that journey. No theory, no motivation talk, just real mindset shift that change how money responds to you. Watch it at your own pace and start rewiring the beliefs that are blocking your growth. If you're tired of trying harder, you are ready to think differently, click below to sign up for the 10x Money Mindset video now. Because money doesn't grow with effort, it grows with the right mindset.